his birthday today. Let's hear the creepy bee. Ooh.
I made it look like I was laughing.
So we're gonna see what this guy does. There's a bee. Whoa! The controller and the crazy bee. Oh my goodness. Whoa, nice. Good one. Whoa! That is so cool. He is an acrobat. Featuring the Tumble Bee. He laughs, he does flips, he does spins, he goes backwards, forwards, round and round and round. Man. Super easy to control. Even my 5-year-old is doing it. I highly recommend it. What a cool toy. The Tumble Bee. Oh no. He's in an enclosed space with obstacles and people. What's gonna happen?
It looks like a cat ringing devil when
Totally does.
you do this. Watch.
Let's see.
Probably he might have seen it like
Woo!
Woohoo!
Look at him go. Oh my gosh, he is crazy. He's gonna get you, Leo. He's gonna get you. Whoa, look at that guy. He's laughing.
Oh, look, he was spinning up like that.
You jumped, spun, and flipped.
Oh, shit. Guys, it's so weird. Like if you ever have one of these, it has a slow wheel. They'll do front flips and back flips. Or if you have them do this.
Man. Oh boy, so many uses.
Okay, let's do no bouncing. I'm gonna see something. This is real hard to do, and you finally learned how to do this one.
Woo! Look at that go! Got him. Fast guy.
Okay.
Whoa. Ultra fast, he said. Leo is 5 years old. He just got this for his birthday. This is the Tumble Bee. We hope you had fun watching the Tumble Bee today. I know we sure had fun playing with it. Look out for our next video coming soon of our super awesome foam party. See you soon.